Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the file type and where it lives on disk. This matters because R uses different readers. Once done, set your working directory with settled or open an RStudio project so relative paths work. Make sure to install and load Reader for CSVs, Regxel for Excel, and JSONLite for JSON. Install data. Table if you need speed. These are the first actionable steps to make reading deterministic and reproducible. You now read the file into a table or data. Table, for example, Reader, read CSV file. CSV gives consistent parsing and better defaults. Once loaded, immediately inspect with head, SDR, summary, and glimpse so you see column types and missing values. If dates look wrong, parse them with lubridate. If text encoding is off, specify locale or encoding. Make sure to convert character columns to factors only when appropriate. This prevents silent type errors downstream. You finish by cleaning and saving a canonical dataset. Trim whitespace, rename columns with janitor. Clean names, parse date columns, and handle missing values deliberately. Once clean, save with save RDS for fast reload or write CSV/fwrite for interoperability. If something breaks, check the usual suspects: incorrect separator, wrong file encoding, locale differences, or malformed header rows. Try reading a 100-row sample to isolate the issue. That troubleshooting tip often saves hours when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.